global day of fasting. Is it permissible to do a global day of fasting? Um, or is this bid'ah? So doing a global day of fasting for Palestine, is it still wrong? So there is no such thing as fasting for Palestine or qiyam for Palestine, right? Or reading Quran for Palestine. Um, the only thing that would be, inshallah ta'ala, I think good is for us to revive the sunnah these days of fasting Mondays and Thursdays at some times. And of course, the dua of a fasting person is accepted, inshallah ta'ala. And so a person can make dua in the time before Maghrib, and they can make dua. There's also a question here about Umrah for Palestine. So we should encourage the Sunnah in general. You fast for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Mondays and Thursdays, but there's no fasting for Palestine. And I'll just say first and foremost, no energy right now to fight the Muslims or fight people online. So please don't fight each other, inshallah, over these things. Bidnillahi ta'ala, we clarify and we try to do what's best, bidnillahi ta'ala.